Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And Alice, where specifically are we at right now?
We are at Treasure Island, Unit 505. This is the view that you want. Let me tell you this, listing provided by Yvonne Free with Jim Free Realty. Thank you, Yvonne.
So check out the views from the balcony. I love Treasure Island for the Gulf front views from this balcony. You can see all the way down towards Pier Park. The water, the turquoise water is absolutely stunning.
Phenomenal today. The color is incredible.
This
What a beautiful day to be out.
is a treat. So we got the heated pool down there. And we'll take you guys inside for a tour of the unit here in a second. But if you guys like seeing these condo tours, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want the videos to show up, or similar videos to show up in your home screen of YouTube, then click the thumbs up button. But we're going to start at the front door here and give you a tour of this unit.
So Terry, guys, at Unit 505, it is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom with 1370 square feet. As you enter the front door, you're gonna have the guest bedroom on your right.
And you guys saw that the parking structure was right across the way. So if you drive up the parking structure, you don't even need to take an elevator. You can just walk straight out and to your front door.
So this is a king size bed, so you have an idea how big it is. You have a closet here and jack into a bathroom to the hallway with a tub.
Towel closet here. And then we'll go back out this door we came in to see the laundry room.
Yeah, and please disregard that we are during the turn time, so somebody just checked out, somebody's checking in today.
Got your
The water heater looks pretty new.
It's a nice one too. Got your air handler here as well. And your electrical panel.
Then you have your owner's closet here on your left.
Is it locked?
Yes.
Okay, well, if you are the owner here, you can keep your beach toys or whatever else you want to leave here while you rent it out to other people.
And you have a bunk closet in here.
Hey, it works, right?
Right? If you don't use it, just put this up, close the door, and out of
Space
sight,
for
out of mind.
Two more bodies. I meant human live, you know, so you could rent it to more people.
Little pantry. I mean, it could use, touch-up paint and some deep clean on the grout.
Yeah, I notice, that the cabinets here need a little bit of touch-up paint.
Right.
I don't know if touch-up's the right word. Maybe just a strip and repaint.
Yeah, you have to peel this thermal thing out and you can paint over it and it will be good. Or you can have new doors. Or you can remodel the kitchen.
Now into the living room, the ceiling is raised above the dining area and the living room.
No carpet here, and I love that this is one of the units that they done right. You have the same tile throughout the entire space here.
Yeah, the consistency is really nice. Very easy to maintain a tile floor at the beach. So we're out on the balcony there. Let's check out this bedroom here that's on the Gulf side with Gulf views, oceanfront views.
Also a king size bed here. The furnitures look new.
Got, what did he think? 9-foot ceilings, I think, in here. Double vanity. I just walked past a linen closet here in the bathroom. We have a walk-in shower with dual heads. Awesome. Walk-in closet and a private water closet. Oh, are you making the bed for them?
All right.
Let's check out this view again.
This is what you're buying. I just can't. The beach is the water is so beautiful today.
Yeah, it makes me not want to leave, makes me not want to end the video.
And we have been doing videos very often lately on condos, but the height is just perfect. Being on the 5th floor, you're away from the pool, not right above the pool, you know, so you don't get much of that noise. And the view here is just precious. I love it.
Well, you want to close our video out, Alice?
Yeah, we'll have to go now. So thanks for tuning up. And if you'd like to see any videos like this, just give us a call. Our contact information is below. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.
And if you guys have property that you want to sell within Treasure Island, we would love to represent you as well. And for those of you that made it to the end of the video, we're going to continue the game we started yesterday, and we're going to have you leave a secret code, a comment to let us know you got here. Oh, there's a shark. Where? Where's the shark?
Put in the comments below.
Oh, okay. Did you see the shark? Yesterday it was, did you see the dolphin? Today we'll say, did you see the shark? All right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one.